See? Just have a look at what is here.
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising to the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
So these are the fadings. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing that they will fade, but I just saw a new one right up here, and there's another one there. So those are new beasts that have done my baby's foot.
Oh look, my arm ones have faded. The only ones on my arm are just one, not.
So the arm ones have faded.
Yeah, and the bump, there's just new bumps.
So that's some progress, and these will fade too. But guys, these mosquitoes ain't joking around. No matter what you do, that's just the way it is. But they will fade.
We just saw all of these goats outside of our house.
They're not in the backyard, but now they're going back over to the other side. Just have a look at what is here. And another. They're just everywhere. We had to call in the pest control team to come and have a look. They've assessed and they think that we need treatment, so they've come in now to do the treatment. And we're hoping that everything will be fine thereafter. This is not sponsored. I just want to promote Jamaican businessmen wherever we see them and where they're doing good work.
Awesome pest control.
And he came by recommendation.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And your time is 4 seconds and 42 milliseconds!
Yay! I'm sure you can't beat that.
Now time for the ultimate champion, moi. It's my turn. Was it me you started?
That's it. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, you did it. in seconds and 30 milliseconds. Woo! Trophy goes to... Yay!
It's all thanks to my lucky cheese.
Really? It brought you luck? Okay. The pest control team were in and out in under an hour, and then we needed to evacuate our accommodation for about 3 to 5 hours, so we had to take refuge in my friend's house for that period of time, and Eliona made good use of their column in order to try and kill some of the time as we were waiting before we were heading back home.
This is the aftermath. We had to evacuate for like 3, 4, 5 and so hours.
Just went on a walk on our way back. This is what I've seen, and I could smell the smell of guava all that way coming as I got closer and closer to the tree. So I decided that I am going to make my way as close as possible to it so I can get some to eat. So I'm going to go through these rocks and over there. But the better option would probably be here. So I'm going to go through here and just go over there onto the tree and get a few of those awesome guavas. Tastes really good. So it's the finest way to round up a walk. Find a guava tree or a fruit tree and have fruits. I washed the clothes, put them out to dry yesterday, and in the afternoon the rain was coming down, so I came out and picked them up. They weren't dry properly, so I decided I'm going to put them back in the house so they don't get wet and then put them back out in the morning. I came back this morning, put them out so that they could get dried, and in the afternoon when I realized that the rain was falling, it was pouring, so my clothes got soaked again. This has happened to me several times now, so I'm going to need to figure out a way of being more alert to know when this rain is going to fall, because you can't pull for your dryer when you live in a tropical country. Just not right. So make we see how this year wanna go play out. Second. So you're going to finish off battering those ones, right? Yeah. Some people use egg and then put their chicken in the egg and then in the flour. We don't do that. So this is how we do it. Sometimes we do the egg, but we prefer this recipe. Do you prefer this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's that then. I'm going to check on the ones in the pot. So that's what they look like. They're steadily browning on a low flame, and once we get the color we want, we will turn them over and get the other side done. So some people leave theirs open. We cover it so that the chicken is steaming and soaking through at the same time. So do what works for you in your kitchen, but this is what we do for ours, and we're sharing one of our meal prep with you. So in addition to the pasta that we're going to make, and we're also going to cook these banana and yam as well. So we have that as an addition that we will use, and so we can opt with whichever one we want to have with it. We haven't made our mind up yet as to what this staple side of it is going to be. So it could be these, or it could be the pasta. We'll let you know what we decide later.
Did you know you were supposed to peel off the skin of scallion before you cut it to eat? Because even though you do wash it, it's not that good to eat. So you just peel the first or the second layer, whichever layer you can peel off, and then you cut whatever's under.
So why are you cutting it off?
So this is one of the elements of my cheese sauce for the pasta, which is boiling over there next to the deep fried chicken. So we chose to use like a shell-shaped one. So it's basically deconstructed macaroni and cheese pie.
Okay. So do you mean, is that because we aren't putting it in an oven? It's just all being done in the pot?
Even it's like a one-pot mac and cheese. Because normally when I make mac and cheese like from the box, I have to mix it in different things.
Okay.
So the white part is the part that tastes most like onion, and onion is one of the things on my ingredients, so technically that's my onion there. Then I just go over it again so it's not too little. Should I use another one? Like another scallion?
If you feel like you want to.
Because it's a little bit.
Okay. So you want to use another one?
Yeah.
Okay then. Well.
So I'll just wash that. I'm not going to do the big one, I'm just going to take a small one. When you do this, because I use such a big knife, you have to be very careful with your fingers, but then again you still have to cut it very fine. Now that I've added the cheese, the cinnamon, the all-purpose seasoning, the nutmeg and the mixed spice, I'm going to now put the mayo, ketchup and milk, which is another part of my ingredients. Okay, so now I'll put all those in, I'm going to mix it.
So what are you going to do after you mixed it in like that?
So once the pasta boils, I'm going to have to drain that off and then mix the cheese sauce into it so then the cheese can melt into it.
Okay.
Do you want to taste it? So my reaction to this piece of chicken is about to happen. It's actually not too bad. I would recommend not cooking everything because this is probably one of the best fried chicken I've had. So stay tuned for the pasta and then the end result. So now that we have the pasta strained, we're going to be pouring the sauce that I have made on top. And we're going to add some more milk and then mix it up and show the end result.
There's a spoon. So if you prefer, what you could do, so most of the time when we make this, we cook the cheese sauce first. So we put the cheese sauce in a pot and melt the cheese and mix it that way, and then we put the pasta in. So today we've decided we're going to do it this way instead. So we'll come back and show you what happens. So the cheese would just be melted and you stir your pasta in, and then that would be it. So we'll come back and show you the end result shortly. So that's what it looks like. We're just going to allow all of that milk to soak up into the pasta and dry down a little bit, and then it will be ready. We're going to move on now to doing the gravy.
So this is the chicken, looking nice brown and crispy, and it's well soaked. So this is the end result of pasta. I just put some mayonnaise and honey. We have wing and leg, and I have my pasta at the side. I'm just waiting on my salad. So this is the end. Thank you for watching. The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, Jam Fam, come hang with me. Jam Fam, come hang